Now they seem to be busy packing and unpacking some stuff. Oh, sewing machine. MHQ deliver with hard. So they deliver the items from Singapore to Yangon, which is the capital of the Myanmar, and then from Yangon to Singapore, 1 kilo is how much? Yangon to Myanmar is $8, Yangon to Singapore is $7.50, so the other way cheaper by 50 cents per kilo. Now I see the Myanmar people, they like the puppets. The Japanese kimono. Okay, so what happens is I see a lot of shops selling almost the same stuff. Mini mart, hairdressing. But luckily I found that the secret massage shop hidden in a corner. A lot of aroma and different kind of smells here. From the hair cutting, dyeing, bleaching, and to the food. Contact lens center. I heard there's a library here. I think it's level 4. Hey. More shipping. Oh, I'm starting to see some of these handphone shops. You know, sometimes the Myanmar people look like Thai because they are also dark, right? Dark skin. Let's go up. At level 4 now, I see a lot of handphone shops. Singtel, StarHub. Lucky 2 clothes. Oh, this special. The shop is not only sell clothes, they sell the daily necessities, even the foam cleanser, shampoo, and so on. In front, travel agencies. There's a gold trading company, you know, the Myanmar people, they like to buy gold. And sometimes they give the gold to like temples and so on. Or they buy as an investment. That's a nice jersey, right? Oh, once again, yeah, the shipping services. Actually to YGN, it means Singapore Yangon back to Singapore SC Land. I found a bookstore here. It's all Myanmar books. Burmese books. Hair and makeup. And look at all this. The Shopee Lazada parcels are in front of the shop. Okay, and this stretch is always like empty. Close to emptiness. The main shops are facing the escalators. Mo Kong Kim Hair Salon. So where is the mystical library? At level 4. So far it's handphone shops and normal shops selling clothes. So this shop is special. They sell a lot of like Buddhist artifacts here. And also those items. It's nice. We went to Lucky too. This banana or something. Looks very cramped inside. Noble luxury logistics, so many stuff here. Alright, the final top floor, level 5. It's just so amazing. Because of the lanterns, they are so big. But I wonder, are they really secure? No accidents can happen, and that's it, man. Anyway, touch wood. Asia, man, Myanmar and tours. More mama shop here. Oh, we have a Capital Medical Center. And you can find maids here. Reputable Myanmar maid agency. I think these centers are much much more beautiful than the center in Chinatown previously. Number 5, finally I saw the traditional Burmese costume. That looks so elegant, but once again, only the women who are small size. I mean, they have the waist less than mid 28. Then they wear this costume nice. They look still plump. But then, I mean, up to each individual. Just admiring the beauty of it. Another shop selling the Burmese costume. That shop is special. Yes, some blinking lights. The other one as well. This is a mama shop. The other one is a beauty shop. Wow. I wonder how come they don't display the clothes out to attract customers. They are actually preparing to close or something. It's not even 8 p.m. man. It's at 7:30. So it's just funny. How come there isn't? I mean, there's only one massage shop in the whole mall, and I actually found it. It's not I would think that there's no massage shop at all. PTP coffee. Beauty and personal care. You know, this shop is special. You do the treatment inside where the seat is, and then there's a bed or something, and then they advertise the treatment on the outside. I'm very curious of the green ball, man. What's that? You wonder what? Who stuff, right?